Heading into the 50th test match to be played at Sabina Park over the weekend, it's the words of Marlon Samuels, a.k.a. the Icon, as it relates to the selection eligibility criteria set by the West Indies Cricket Board that continue to resonate. Listen to the Icon.
The system still needs to be changed, but apparently they're talking right now, and it's just that you can't ask a guy to play 10 first-class game when somebody offer him some good money. You have to compromise. Let him go and take off, and then you tell him, listen, you need to come back on the 17th. You know what I mean? You got to compromise. In this day and age with so many cricket players, you have to compromise. If you're not compromising, there's so much leagues around there. A lot of the guys is gonna leave. I'm 36. I'm not 26 anymore. So you have to be more flexible and compromise. So I think I made the right choice, because instead of staying and making 6,000 US, I think I make about 200 and more.
The Icon hit the nail on the head. Part of the reason why we have to be begging people to come out to Sabina Park and watch the cricket is because the top players are not in the team. You hear the Icon put it? $6,000 versus $200,000. It is downright wicked to ask players to give up that kind of money for an unsure spot in this wobbly West Indies team. So while we understand the position of the board, wanting the top players to play regional cricket for marketing and developmental purposes, but cricket is evolving and the world is changing, and a compromise must be found where the board can allow the man them to go make their money while playing a smaller percentage of the regional games for selection eligibility. So me agree with the Icon 100%. In fact, a two Icon agree. Marlon the Icon and the Maverick the Icon agree on this one. So the argument done.